Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hey, it's Clarissa Enumerated here. So for part A, the line procedure bit count S is bit string means that the input is a bit string S. So the algorithm will stop when S is not equal to 0. This is due to the while loop. And this says that the algorithm stops when S is the 0 string, and so if S does not contain any ones. So on each iteration of the while loop, the S is also reassigned to S and S minus 1. Note that S and S minus 1 are the same, except for the rightmost one bit of S, which is 0 in S minus 1. And since 1 and 0 are equal to 0, S and S minus 1 is the same as S minus 1. So in every iteration of the loop, one of the ones is written as 0. So we note that the algorithm counts the number of ones in the bit string, since every iteration of the while loop, a 1 of S becomes 0, and the count is increased by 1. So the count will keep track of the number of ones in the bit string. And for part B, there's only one part of the code that contains a bitwise AND operation, which is S is defined to be S and S minus 1. So this operation is in every iteration of the while loop. So the while loop is executed as long as the string S contains 1. The string contains ones, and on every iteration of the loop, one of the ones becomes a 0. So the number of iteration is equal to the number of ones in the bit string, like we said in part A. So the number of bitwise AND operations is equal to the number of ones in the bit string. So number of bitwise AND operations, I'll put OP for short, is then equal to number of ones in the bit string.